I'm gonna get on the other side.
Can you take this with you?
Yeah. You guys can take pictures. I'm just gonna take a really brief break. I just have to see. Yeah, you check out the truck.
Possibly different vehicles to take in. We wait for the run number 2 for the contact break to start.
It's pretty dirty. So many people in here. Nice truck though. Tacoma. I love that suspension system. Look at the plate thing. People are probably thinking, go. Got TRD.
I really like the color though.
And then TRD Pro. She's going to be driving today. Hello.
Hi.
Have fun.
Is this your first time off-road?
Yeah.
Oh, one of the doors is open actually.
Oh, is it mine?
Oh, that's
Oh,
mine.
I opened mine.
Oh, it's still. Oh, I think it's this one right here. Okay, now we're ready to go. You have any experience off-roading?
This is my first
time.
I mean, I was thinking of one of the off-road car could be my first car,
Yeah. Okay.
but
Yeah. Wait. So we're gonna wait for these guys to go down first.
Oh, that looks steep.
Wow.
Yeah, it's steep. Okay,
We'll
yeah,
wait
we're
for
gonna
him.
we're gonna wait for him to go around the corner.
Oh, wait, fine.
We're not gonna. I know you see the tires in there, but we're not gonna be like that because their car doesn't have the right tires, the right ground clearance, the right suspension. We're gonna be on the
my
ground.
passengers.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh wow,
Wow.
It's a drop.
That's interesting.
Cool.
You're good. All right, we're turning back now. We're in the Okay, so do you see what the guys in front of us are doing? They're kind of going up on the hill
Yeah.
with these 2 tires here. So you can do the same thing.
I'm just gonna slowly wait for him.
Yep. Yep, you're good. So you're not currently driving anything right now? You're
I'm
considering
driving
buying something?
I'm driving a Kona,
Okay.
Hyundai right now.
Mm-hmm. But you're looking to get something else? Or
I'm
trade it
really
in?
interested in off-road car.
Okay, nice, nice. Yeah, it is. It's very low content, so you don't really have to worry about the tires
I feel
slipping.
pretty safe driving.
That's good. Safety is key.
Yeah, like, I mean, as long as you feel safe in your car, right?
Mm-hmm. Turn here, it's a little tight. You just have to go wide to the left.
Gotcha.
All right, let's wait for them to actually go around the corner.
I'll wait for them.
Yeah.
She's a little bit too fast.
Okay, we can do it. Very good. And then just go a little straight here, and then yeah, now you can start. Okay, we're gonna sort of wait for these guys to go up because these guys can slip. Okay. To the top. Nice.
Very nice.
We're not gonna get stuck. I'll
Wow.
just go over all the bumps.
It's quite very strong.
Yeah, it is. It's a body on frame, so it's
Wow.
it's independent frame. And,
I can feel that, you know, like here it's more especially when you go uphill. Alright, good girl.
okay, so this corner here is also very quick. We're gonna go wide left.
Wow, that's very nice to drive in the forest.
Yeah, literally the forest.
It's very cool.
Yeah, not like anything you can do at like
Exactly.
a car dealership or
Right.
car shows. They won't let you do this, but
This
we
is-
will here. It's very fun and unique.
And this is very, like, you know, like you have hands-on
Yes,
experience.
exactly.
Feel like it's real life.
Exactly.
That was great.
Let's give
fun.
these guys some, let's give the pathfinder some space. Yeah,
Yeah,
how's
man.
the back seat?
Hit my head like 20 times, but it's comfortable. That was fun.
Yeah.
But it's very fun. I love this car.
And yeah, we're just gonna pull up to the left. Are you gonna be driving it as well, or?
No, no, no. I didn't want to wait for it.
Nah.
I mean, I love the car too. You can see how, like, what did you say, like steady the car is when it handles the big bump, big hole. The turn is smooth too.
John Pacer works his way the
Say-
There's the car, the Ford, like the Pathfinder.
The what?
What's car
A little bit
behind?
quicker
Yeah,
for the Radical.
it was in front of me, but compared to these Toyota's handle better.
On run number 2.
Mhm.
Do you see like how that car like
And that's
almost got stuck
Yeah.
in the big hole and when they take a turn?
And again, it's
And
going to
when
be
they
another
uphill, like,
run for the Southwest
feel
Ranger
like
front of the
gonna
Drive
flee.
Festival presented by Mobile One.
This is very
On the Mobile
Say
One
bye to everyone.
Green Car
Bye,
Speed Run
everyone.
Circuit.